Hill Road should ascend the mountain and carry us all the way over to Montecito. Montecito, as many of you know, is the home of Oprah Winfrey and quite a few other Hollywood stars, and most recently Prince Harry and his wife Meghan. Now the odds of seeing any of these people are slim. That ain't gonna happen. Well, welcome to Santa Barbara Mission, guys. Yeah, where I live is kind of in the heart of Mission Country. Mission Santa Barbara, gorgeous, heavily used. Earthquakes have cracked it every now and then, but otherwise she is as built. Wonderful, good looking church. This area is famed for some of the oldest homes in Santa Barbara. These are the Santa Barbara Hills. Now the road I'm on, if I'm not already lost, which wouldn't surprise me, but like, if you get lost in Santa Barbara, you know, you're still right in the heart of a good looking place. Here we come up on Mountain Drive. Everything up here past the mission is multi-million dollar homes, properties. You couldn't buy a brick off one of these things for less than $500. rock wall there. That's a WPA wall from the 1930s. And same as this bridge. I wish I could show you the sides of it, but it's a rock bridge. Stacked rock bridge. Also from the 1930s. There you go. Too bad that fella can't afford a new car. Terrible. See some of this construction, this dirt and the pile of rocks over there. This is some of the area where the giant landslide happened. You see these brand new, woo! This is a new bridge, just got wiped out by the flood. You saw that big rock wall that was to my left? That's a new rock wall using rocks that came down off the mountain during the flood. And here's where some of the main flood hit. You can see all the piles of rocks and debris. This from a couple years ago. That's a brand new house that was wiped out in the flood. Rock slide, mountain slide, whatever you want to call it. Just nasty. That's the main area it came through on its race down the hill to the ocean. You can see all those big rocks. Those were all, boy, you could almost say it was liquefied. It was just a rush of water, mud, those huge boulders going down the mountain 15, 20, 30 miles an hour. Needless to say, not a lot stayed in one piece by the time the flood got over. Houses, cars, trees. Trees as big as a eucalyptus here just snapped off and pushed down the hill with it. course, this area of California was known for its citrus, its lemons and its oranges. If you've ever heard of Valencia, California, it was named after the Valencia orange. I don't know if you noticed that all the rocks you've been seeing out here are kind of rounded, smoothed off. That's because this used to be ocean bottom. I think we're probably 1,000, 1,200 feet above the water right now. But thanks to the Pacific plate, again, diving under the continental plate, this whole area, all these mountains and ridge lines through here, used to be at the bottom of the ocean. And as the plates collided, this got pushed out of the ocean up to 3,000 feet. During that big flood, rocks and stuff coming out of the hills, this was all underwater, under mud, and under debris to the bottom of that bridge we just went under. Just nasty. I'll see if I can hunt down some pictures to show it. This bridge also completely filled, nearly buried by the debris that was under here.